Hello, Pinoy Bladers! Hello! Kumusta po kayo lahat? Now, anong gagawin natin ngayon? We're gonna do unboxing! Alright! I got these. Actually, I got these few days ago. Medyo busy, kaya hindi ako nakapag-unbox. So, ngayon ko lang siya naharap. So, I wanna share this with you. Okay? Sige, yan na tayo. I'm gonna use the Karlo shuffle to unbox. Okay. Alright. Huh. Okay. So I got these from Fit Xpress PH. Sir Karlo, thank you. No? Okay, tabi muna natin to. Unahin muna natin to. Right. So what do we have here? Yeah. Huh. Okay. What? Aha. Alright. Slide. Oh. What? Ano to? Okay. This is the... Wow. There's a ray light pineapple. Wow. This in copper. Very nice. Diba? Siguro wala pang kon. Wala. Alam ko may battery na to eh. Yeah. Dito ba? Dito ba binubuksan? Parang hindi. Parang oo. O nga, yun nga. Yung battery. Yun. Kaya tanggalin yun, no? Hey. There. Okay. Let's put this back. We're putting it right. Tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda to. Oh. Hold on. Sira ako pa. Right. Yun. Yun. Maraming mode kasi to eh. Yung ray light. It's a very nice flashlight. Oh my god, this is so nice. I think this is the nicest flashlight I've got so far. Although I have not that many, pero okay na. Pero for an average EDC guy like me, average kasi I don't spend much sa gear. Well, not like the hardcore, collectors. Okay na sa akin to. Okay? Thank you, Sir Karlo. Alright. So, tabi muna natin to. Yeah. Alright. So, meron siyang kasamang ano yun? Oh. Okay. There you go. Alright. Tabi natin yan. Okay. Second one. This is the second box. Wow. So, hey. Sorry, gumagalaw. Oops. Ano ba pala dun? Oops. Sorry guys. Taking a while. So much suspense. Oh my god. There. Alright. Says thank you. Thank you, thank you. Alright. Let's open this up. Wow, yeah. Oh man, so I got also stickers. Yeah. Alright. Tabi muna natin to. Hey. So this from Sir Karlo, Fit Xpress. Everyday carry. Thank you, sir, for the wow. This is a shark lock. Yes. Shark lock. Demko knives. Stickers. Yeah. So I guess may idea na kayo kung ano to. Yes. Very nice stickers. Thank you, sir. Salamat. Now, for the moment of truth. Wow. Yeah. Look at that. Very nice. So this is the Demko AD. You see that? AD 20.5. 904. Can you see that? Okay. Slotted shark foot. OD green. Burberry. Nice. Okay. Very nice box. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Wow. That's so nice. Yes. Tabi muna natin to, ha? So this is the knife. Look at that. Wow. All right. Look at that. Wow, very nice. So ganun natin to. Para may konting ko naman. Yeah. Okay. Let's open this up. Ang laki ng pouch. Ganda ng pouch. Ganda ng... Wow, so excited. Yeah. So, that's the knife. Oh my God, that's so nice. Ah, look at that. AD 20.5. Demko knives. Right. There. Very nice. Very nice pocket clip. So thin, no? Not like the Demko AD20 na mas makapal siya. So, let's open this up. Wow. My God. So, this is the shark lock. Tawag dun. So, yun, no? Shark lock. No? So, it's like a ramp. Ayan yung lock. So, wow. Tigas pa siya. So, you pull that up. So, yung maglakon siya. Mag-release siya. Wow, the action is so smooth, guys. Grabe. The blade shape is really, really nice. That's a shark foot blade. Look at the lock. Okay. Wow. That's a unique lock. So, hindi pa siya smooth. Hindi pa siya. Kasi, bagong dating lang siya. So, I'll be fidgeting this later on. Yan. Hanggang maging smooth siya. Yan. So, oh wow. I'll be playing with this. Alright. So, there's a lanyard hole. Thumb stud. The pocket clip is not really deep carry. Okay? So, hindi siya deep carry. So, it's a slim profile. And then, look at that. So, these are made in Taiwan. The blade is AUS-10A. AUS-10A is, I think it's a Japanese blade. Right? It's a Japanese blade. It's been compared to D2, K110, ganon. It's about the same. Actually, hindi naman nagkakalayo yung kanya. But they said that this is a better blade, the AUS-10A. The AUS-10A is actually AUS-10, but it's made by Aichi. Aichi, I think that's Aichi. Yung metal, yung steel maker, steel maker. So, may letter A. That denotes the maker of the steel that was used in this. So, it's a Japanese steel maker. I think it's Aichi. Something like that. Okay. Let's say something about, discuss something a little about AUS-10A. So, AUS-10A, yun nga, like I said kanina, it's produced by the Japanese steel manufacturer na Aichi. Aichi Steel. That's the A4. So, it stands for Aichi. And it's actually have similar component with the 440C. Oh, sorry about that. The performance of those steel grades are almost comparable siya. Okay, AUS-10A is a high carbon steel actually. It's high carbon steel. It's known for its toughness, tapos yung good level of hardness and easy sharpening. Sinabi na it's the strongest among the Aussie series steel grades. Yun ang nakasabi dun sa nakalagay dun sa reference na binasa ko before. So, mas okay siya kesa sa Aussie 6 or Aussie 8. Right? Some knives were using Aussie 8 or Aussie 6, di ba? So, it's rated at around 58 to 60 HRC. Dahil sa mataas din yung chromium content niya, yung AUS-10A is resistant to corrosion and rust. So, hindi mo kailangan yung sobrang maintenance para to take care of the knife, right? So actually, it in terms of hardness, this is pretty tough, right? So may good edge retention din siya, you know, and so with good edge retention, it can stay sharp for a long period of time. So like I said, also a good corrosion resistance dahil sa high chromium content niya. So mas madaling i-maintain, yung madali din siyang ngasain. The ease of sharpening is also noted despite of its hardness, no? But syempre, using the right tools and techniques, right? Okay, so that's AUS-10. Now back to the Demko AD 20.5. So this is a DLT exclusive. So sabi nung pinagbilan ko. So I think Blade HQ have different colors and they use D2. I think dun sa ibang dealers. Pero sa DLT, yung Demko nila, they use AUS-10A. So overall, the knife is really, really nice. So good action. So syempre, ngayon, hindi pa masyado. But later on, after fidgeting siguro, I'm so excited. After fidgeting this for a while, magiging okay na siya. So, let's compare some quick comparison to sizes, right? So, this is the AD 20.5. Let's see. What do we have here? This is the CBB bottom lock. There. So, mas may liit siya ng konti sa CBB bottom lock. This is the CBB Praxis. Mas maliit din siya. CBB Praxis. This is the Ontario Rat 2. So, it's, hold on. Usog natin. Mas malaki siya. So, Ontario Rat 2 and usog natin dito. The CBB Elementum. Mas malaki din siya. Okay, kasi halos magkasing laki lang yung Elementum sa yung Ontario Rat. There. So, it's a little longer than the Elementum and the Rat 2. Pero mas maliit siya kaysa CBB Elementum Button Lock and CBB Praxis. Okay? So, at least may idea kayo. But syempre, these are budget knives, right? This is more on the medium range. Right? Medium range siya. So, but comparison lang sa sizes. These are D2. Right? They have very nice blade also. I think this is D2, I think. Oh, 4C28N pala. Yung button lock. This is a CR13 MOV Praxis. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, so I hope you like the unboxing, and let's appreciate this more. Look at that! Wow, that's the very nice blade. It's a stone wash blade. It says Demko. And may patent siya doon. Can you see that? Alright. So these are made in Taiwan. No? The Demko AD-10A are made in the USA. These are made in Taiwan. Like Spyderco, di ba? May mga Chinese manufactured knives din sila, but these are Taiwan. So basically Taiwan made is really nice too. It's comparable. It's actually slimmer than the bigger Demko, right? However, yung ergo niya is really nice. So you can use this. You can use this. May kwan siya dito, finger choil siya dito, and then may jimping siya. So you can actually grip or hug on the knife. Right there, oh. Nice. Or you can use for a closer cut, you can also use this. Right? Right? Para kunwari, mas precision yung cut mo. Right. But the ergo is really nice. Just actually maliit yung kamay ko. So medyo malaki pa nga pag i-finger choil ko dito. Pero pag dito, okay na. Sakto lang. Kasya na yung 4 fingers ko. Plus, andun yung sa jimping yung thumb. Okay? Para pang cut. Ay, love this knife. So, daming review sa YouTube about this. And they are all positive. Most of them are positive. The clip is also nice. It easily gets into the pants. So, pocket pant. Sa pants. So, it's not that bad. The action is really nice. So, I'll be playing with this later on. Right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for sharing with me this video. I hope you like this video, and subscribe, and you know, abangan nyo yung mga ibang videos ko about unboxing like that, or maybe other, maybe I can think of something, you know, and maybe we can go over more knives in the future. Okay? Alright? Thank you, Pinoy Bladers. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share. And I hope to see you soon, no? Okay? Easy lang kayo. Bumababa na yung kaso natin. No? Hopefully, diretso na to. So makalabas na tayo, no? Nang mas mabuti, nang mas madali, I mean. Pero syempre, don't forget to follow the minimum health protocols. Okay? Huwag kayong magpakakampante kasi hindi pa tayo tapos sa pandemyang ito. Please lang, do your part, you know, let's get over this pandemic. Sobrang napahirap na, tataas na ng gasolina, no? So, tapusin na natin to. Magtulungan tayo. Okay? So, Bladers, thank you. And I hope you have a good day. Bye. Peace.